Good morning and happy Easter! We're going to jump in straight away with a game, and our game is to guess what is in my bag. Don't worry, you don't just have to guess randomly. I'm going to give you some clues of what could be inside my bag. So here is clue number 1. Inside my bag is something gold. Clue number 2. Inside my bag is something shiny. Clue number 3. The thing inside my bag has a layer around it. Clue number 4. The thing inside my bag is round. And clue number 5, the thing inside my bag is very yummy. Did you guess what's inside my bag? Should we have a look together? Are you ready? Drum roll if you can. Oh, it's a chocolate egg. A chocolate egg. It's gold, it's sparkly, it has layers, and it's definitely yummy. Today marks Easter Sunday, which is the last day in Holy Week. And there's been so much that has gone on this week, but today we are focusing on Jesus coming back from the dead. Yes, I know, that's a lot to take in, and sometimes it's a little bit puzzling, and especially it was puzzling for those first disciples and Jesus' friends at the time. Let's have a listen and find out why.
By the time Mary reached Peter and John, she was out of breath and very upset. She'd been running. "They've taken Jesus," she announced. "I went to the tomb, but the stone's been moved from the entrance and the Lord has gone." Mary was too sad to go home. She stayed there, crying. Through her tears, Mary could see into the tomb. She was shocked. There were angels in there now, sitting where Jesus' body had been. One at the head and one at the feet. The angels asked her, "Why are you crying?" "They've taken away my Lord," said Mary, "and I don't know where they've put them." "Why are you crying?" they asked again. "Who are you looking for?" Mary said, "If you've taken him away, please tell me where he is." The man replied with a single word, "Mary." As soon as he'd spoken it, Mary saw that the man was Jesus.
Although Easter morning is filled with joy and love that Jesus has been raised from the dead, for those first disciples there was a lot of uncertainty. They didn't know what was happening to begin with until they found that joy that Jesus has rose from the dead. So we're going to have a few questions which you can answer within your households, or you might want to answer on the chat function if you are on Zoom. So let's have a think about those questions. When have you felt unsure about something? How did it make you feel? Our second question, why do you think Jesus appeared to Mary first? And thirdly, if you were like Mary and had to go and tell the disciples the good news about the Easter story, who would you tell and how would you tell them? Instead of a craft this morning, I'm going to set you a little challenge that you can play at home. So what you need to do is also grab yourself a bag and fill it with lots of random objects that only you know what is inside, and then ask a grown-up or somebody else who you live with to try and guess what is in the bag. So the same way I did at the beginning of our talk, describe what's in the bag without actually saying what it is, and see how long it takes for them to guess the mystery. We haven't done a craft this morning because on Wednesday we have a very, very special crafternoon, which I know lots of our young people are signed up for, where we will have lots of Easter crafts and lots of Easter games. So we're really looking forward to seeing you all there. God bless, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.